was a dark and stormy night, the kind that sent shivers down your spine and made you question every noise you heard. Sarah had always loved a good thriller, but tonight she found herself feeling more uneasy than usual as she sat alone in her bedroom, the sound of rain pounding against the window echoing through the room. As she tried to distract herself with a book, Sarah couldn't shake the feeling that something was off. She glanced at the clock on her bedside table and realized it was almost midnight. Deciding it was time to call it a night, she closed her book and prepared to go to sleep. But just as she was about to turn off the light, she heard a faint creaking noise coming from the hallway. Her heart began to race as she sat frozen in bed, listening intently for any further sounds. The creaking continued, growing louder and more insistent with each passing moment. Sarah's mind raced with possibilities. Was it just the house settling, or was there someone in her home? She tried to brush off her concerns, telling herself she was just being paranoid. But deep down, she knew the truth. Something wasn't right. Summoning all her courage, Sarah slowly got out of bed and crept towards the bedroom door. She hesitated for a moment, then quietly turned the doorknob and peered into the hallway. What she saw made her blood run cold. A shadowy figure stood at the end of the hall, their back turned towards her. Sarah's heart pounded in her chest as she tried to process what she was seeing. Was this a dream or was it real? Taking a deep breath, Sarah mustered up her courage and called out, "Who's there?" The figure seemed to freeze for a moment, then slowly turned around to reveal a face she recognized all too well, her own. Sarah gasped in shock as she stared at the reflection of herself standing in the dimly lit hallway. Confusion and fear washed over her as she wondered if she was losing her mind. But as she looked closer, she noticed something different about this version of herself. The eyes that stared back at her were filled with a sense of determination and strength she had never seen before. In that moment, Sarah realized the truth she had been avoiding for so long. She had been lying to herself about who she really was. She had been living in denial, refusing to acknowledge her own potential and worth. But now, faced with her own reflection, she couldn't hide from the truth any longer. With a newfound sense of clarity, Sarah made a decision. She would no longer let fear and doubt hold her back. She would be honest with herself about her goals and dreams, and she would stop at nothing to achieve them. As she stepped towards her reflection, the figure began to fade away, leaving Sarah standing alone in the hallway. But this time, she felt a sense of empowerment coursing through her veins. The storm outside continued to rage on, but inside, Sarah felt a calm determination unlike anything she had ever experienced. She knew that from this night on she would never be afraid to face the truth, no matter how unsettling it may be. And as she returned to her bedroom and settled back into bed, a sense of peace washed over her. The storm still roared outside, but Sarah knew that she was stronger now, more resilient than ever before. And as she closed her eyes, she felt a sense of hope and motivation burning within her, lighting the way towards the future filled with honesty and self discovery.